So students, so analogy means relation and comparison, right? So correct. So the answer for dog will be what? Puppy, right?
Puppy.
Why puppy? Tell me.
Sir, because dog's child is called as puppy,
Yes.
cat's child is called as kitten.
Cat's baby. So the relation here is baby relation, right? Cat's
Young
baby
puppy.
is called kitten and dog's baby, what do we say? Puppy, right?
Puppy.
So that is how we have to find the relation and then it will be very easy, isn't it? So that is about analogy. Okay, so we say these as word analogy. What do we say? Word
Word
analogy.
Word
Okay,
analogy.
so there will be words given like this. So what do we say? We say it as is to. Cat is to kitten. In similar way, dog is to what? So we say it as is to. Okay, right? Is to. So this is ratio and this is like proportion. Okay, okay, good. So second question, tell me the answer now. Okay, yes. Delhi or Delhi? Yes, what is the spelling? Delhi, I think.
DEHLI.
Delhi, okay. Tell me the answer.
Washington DC.
Washington
Yes,
DC.
capital. So India's capital is what? Delhi. USA capital is Washington
Washington.
DC, okay, isn't it? So that is the correct answer. So they may ask anything, okay, they can ask that is animals, places, river names, anything they can ask in the word analogy. Understood about word analogy? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll see next number analogy. What we'll see? Number analogy. Okay. In the number analogy, there will be some relation. What there will be? Numbers will be there and there will be relation. Okay. Numbers analogy. Okay. In the numbers analogy, so let me take an example here. So you should only tell me the answer. Okay. I will not tell anything. So what will be the answer? Tell me here.
45.
45, yeah? Is it, students?
Sir, 64.
Think. No. Anybody?
512.
Yes, 512 is the correct answer. Why? It is cube. 5 cube is how much? Tell me. 5 cube is 125. 8 cube will be
125.
512. Right?
512.
Yes, that is the correct answer. Right? So that is how you have to identify the relation. Okay, na? Okay. So one more question. Tell me the answer now. Okay? Fine. Yes. So there can be any relation. It can be multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, anything. You have to identify. Okay? Got it?
Okay, sir.
Sir.
I will give options. Okay? What? 25. Why 25?
20.
Sir, into 5.
Yes. 8 how much is 40? 8 5 is 40. 5 how much is 20? 5 5 is a? Answer will be
25.
25. Correct. Okay? Isn't it? Yes. So the answer will be 25. answer. So understood about number analogy?
Yes.
Yes? Very easy. Okay now. So we'll do some questions now. So we will have to identify, it will be easy only. So we'll do some questions, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is this class?
Okay, very good. So next question. So we'll see next question now. Yes. So third question. Tell me the answer.
Yes, sir.
Wolves is pack. Teachers is
Professor.
hey. That is a different profession, beta.
Faculty.
Professor is a different
Faculty.
profession.
Sir, floor.
The faculty.
No. Faculty. What will be the answer?
Faculty, sir.
Faculty. Okay.
Sir,
So
we couldn't see the option only.
okay, huh. So answer will be what?
Faculty.
Faculty. So answer will be faculty option B. Professor is a different profession. That is, teacher is, we say it as for school teacher, and professor